Hey guys, what's up? So, I have been working on something here, and drone worship. Dan, as y'all know, Dan, if you don't know Dan, go over, check him out. Link in the description down below for his channel. So he did a Back to the Future FPV challenge, and he wanted you to make look like your quad was flying by Doc Brown. Really cool. Check out the video. It is really epic. So I got to come up with something like that. So I thought, why not come up with something I could use for that? So let me show you what I came up with. You ready? You sure? Oh, that's a prop. That's a prop. Are you sure you're ready? Huh? Check that out. So this is what I come up with. Not too bad, right? So I've done flown it. It does fly. Flies very damn good, believe it or not. I 3D printed this back here. The exhaust for the flux capacitor. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Let me show you what we're working with. It's a little difficult to plug in underneath. Just give me a sec. There we go. So as you noticed, FPV, look at those bright headlights. I put a piece of tire around here. This one actually popped off because I hit the ground. So I got to put some epoxy on that. But you see, to cover the motor, went ahead and did something like that. Prop spin with no problem. I can start props right where it sets, just like that. Check out here. The VTX is, you know, I thought, well, you got to have something change in numbers or something, right? Put the motors underneath. Look at those brake lights on that thing. Whew. I used that VAS omnidirectional antenna because it kind of resembles almost like the I guess the motor for the flux capacitor thing. Pretty cool, the starter or whatever they call it. But yeah, but that's my version of the Delorean from Back to the Future. So now, Dan, I'll go ahead and get a video made up and edit a video of Doc Brown flying this thing, and we'll see what he thinks. See if we can get it up to 88 miles per hour. Huh? Yeah.